Hey guys, welcome to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, we got the Eachine. This is the E014 right after this. Hey, welcome back guys, Donnie here. And today I got the Eachine. This is the E014. This is courtesy of Banggood.com. So I do thank you Banggood so much for sending this out to me. This is a pretty cool little mini drone. This thing right here is going to be a two-part series. The first part is going to be flying this little windmill drone with the controller first. And then part two, I'll be using the my mobile device, my Android phone, so you guys could see a few more options with that as well. So right now, we're going to go and open this box, get right into it, and then we'll go for a flight, guys. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, sorry, it's pretty windy. Let me move this out of the way here. I'll go ahead and open this up. So here you got the little windmill, the E014, which is pretty cool. It's got a battery that's built inside here, so there's the charge port, and you got the on and off button. Plus two, this got optical flow sensor. So so far from what I've seen in other reviews, it seems to be working very well, guys. So I can't wait to try that out, and we'll try to make this quick as possible. Here's the controller. Let's get that out of there, and then we have the phone mobile device holder here, which just slides right in there and then just snaps in the back. It takes 4 AAAs, so I got 2 on this side and 2 on this side here. Takes a Phillips screwdriver, which comes in the kit. So this is pretty nice. These are both spring loaded here, so it's got altitude hold. Everything's all well marked on here, so you know the 1 key takeoff, 1 key land. I believe this is for the optical flow sensor here. We'll get into more of that. And then you got 3D flips and the speed control, which has 3 speed settings on it, which makes it really nice. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Okay, this will be on the part 2 series. This actually goes on your mobile device, the little suction cups, so you can make your phone into a joystick. So we'll check that out on video number 2. Got the screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and 4 extra propellers. And of course, we have our manual, which is in all different languages. Chinese, looks like French, and some others, I think Spanish. So you got English in there as well. So, all right, guys. Before I forget, it does come with the USB charger. I almost forgot I had it sitting off the side because I charged the quadcopter before I came out. So, all right, guys, let's go for a flight.
For the app, it's Eachine Fly. So you just want to press the green gear. They have it on iOS and Android, which I have an Android phone, so that's the one I'm selecting. It's downloading now. Once that's done, we're going to go for a flight.
Alright guys, we're connected. Sorry, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I must have missed a number in there, so it's only 8 numbers, so 1 to 8. So that'll be the password. We're connected. I pressed OK. Let me go back. We're in the app, so I'm going to go ahead and press enter flight modes. Alright guys, so right now I am in flight mode, and this thing has optical flow sensor, guys. It's right there on the bottom. I might have lost maybe a minute of flight time right now trying to fool around with the app because I forgot the password. That's my fault. The wind's picking up, so the cool thing about this, to explain this real quick, you got the takeoff and then land button. You got optical flow sensor on, which I'll turn that on so it can keep it, hopefully it'll keep it stable there because it has altitude hold. If you shut it off, it'll cause it to drift and the wind will take it. Hopefully it's not too windy and I can fly it now. You got for recording, you press over here and slide, and it will record only onto your mobile device. It doesn't have a built-in DVR in that, so that's another downfall. This is going to be part 1 of 2 videos because the second video I'll show you on how to fly it with the phone and using the little suction cups that go onto the phone. We'll see how those work, and that'll give us more chance to do some of the other things that this can do here. So you got your trim buttons here. I believe this one's your emergency stop button here. Got your speed rates. all the way up to 3 different speeds, and you got your 3DR roll doing your flips. So I'm going to put it in third rate. It's going to take off here. So far the optical flow sensor is working. Let's give it a shot here. Yep. Alright. Let's see, let's pull on this little guy. Yep. You can hear it start to build up the RPMs when I try to pull it, so the optical flow sensor is working. I'm going to go ahead and press record, guys, and I'll probably just show you a little bit of the video at the end of, or maybe in part of the clip. So let me bring this back a little bit here so I don't, yeah, it's already trying to fight the wind already, so let me go ahead and bring it down for a minute. You can also start it up by pressing down like this. See if I can bring it back here. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna calibrate this thing, guys. So let me get it out of this dirt. Let me calibrate it. I'm gonna go ahead and calibrate it by pressing down. Alright, we're calibrating. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing do a little better here. Doesn't want to back up very good, so it's in third rate, so go forward okay. I'm gonna try shutting off the optical flow sensor. Yeah, a little bit better with the flow sensor off. But maybe it's having problems reading the ground right now where I'm at. A little bit of wind. See how it's fighting? I barely got any wind right now, and it's fighting that little tiny breeze that's coming in. So do be careful, guys. If you got more room indoors somewhere, it's more of a better flyer that way, guys. So, and I'll probably have to dust off this camera because I just landed in that dirt. So yeah, it's fighting. I got a full forward right now, so flies good indoors. I flew it indoors a little bit, but my place is pretty crowded inside there, so I'm not going to do any footage from indoors. So yeah, it's struggling pretty good. I'm going to try a flip here. Yeah, it's got tight little flips there. Yeah, it's really fighting that wind. The flips are working. Yeah, it's got sideways flips and backwards. Okay, so we do have flips sideways, forward, and backwards, so that's good. Yeah, we got a big breeze coming in. This is probably about maybe 3 miles an hour, which really ain't much for like a regular size drone, but for this guy it's quite a bit. So, but like I said, it's a very fun indoor flyer. It's not too bad. The delay isn't really that bad for being Wi-Fi. So let's see, wave here. Let's do that again. That's not too bad. I just wish the wind wasn't so windy. Try an optical flow sensor on again. Yeah, it's good for wanting to hold its ground right there, but it's not good for moving around. See, that's full backwards right now. I'm going backwards right now. There's forwards. It seems like it's hesitating because it's trying to just do like a position hold. So I'm going to go ahead and shut that back off. I'll go take it down here again. don't want to take it too far because the range ain't super far on this. So, but the battery's getting low. It's letting me know this thing's only flies for about 4 minutes and something, and it's going to automatically land. But it shows on the screen, it says battery low. We've been recording for 4 minutes now. So this thing, I believe it gets about 5 minutes, which is about normal for these little Whoop style little micro mini drones here. So I'm going to go ahead and land it, guys. Nothing too big on this review right here. It's just an unboxing and a quick first flight. Automatically landing. That's 4 minutes and 30 seconds. I had about 2 minutes of fooling around trying to get this thing to trying to remember the password. So that's my fault. So you're probably looking at just a little over 5 minutes of flight time. So alright guys, hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you Banggood for sending this to me. I'll try to get a little bit better review on the second part. Like I said, right now this was just the unboxing and first initial flight, and then we'll test the other features without the controller. This actually has a where you could take off by hand without the controller by holding this button, and you toss it up, and it'll sit there and hold its position, so you can do like selfie shots or, you know, hand gestures to make it go forward and backwards. You're pretty much using like the optical flow to guide this drone by hand, and you got to keep your hand pretty close. But I'll show you guys that in part 2. So, all right, guys, thanks again. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.